Alexa, stop. Hey, hi viewers, I'm Ravi Venkatraman once again. Good to meet you, all of you. So today we are going to talk about the Family Man sequel 2. This is the first time a indigenously made Indian thriller we could get to see on the Indian screen thanks to Prime. They did a wonderful job. I don't think I need to talk much about Manoj Vajpayee, who was a 2.5-time national winner. When I say 2.5 time, the third time when he was about to get a national award that was shared with another actor. So two of them have to share the award. The trend or the phenomenon, this particular serial which would have created in the Indian small screen, is something which is going to stay for a longer time. Family Man 2, there's no need for us to dissect it because we all know the success story of Family Man 1, and be it Priya Ramani, be it Manoj Vajpayee, or any character which has come into the part 2, each one of them has done a stupendous amount of job. I think I must say thanks to Prime for the fantabulous job what they've done. And I'm going to talk more about the creators of this sequel. Interestingly, Raj and DK, be it the manner in which the entire story formation, the kind of choices of actors they've asked to portray in the movie, the location what they've chosen, be it the BGM, be it the script, be it the dialogues which is used in the movie. And I'm sure for the first time the Indian industry is sitting up and watching a OTT platform can actually open doors to multiple talents which is available in this country. And I must speak about Samantha. All of us, those who watch South Indian movies, we all know the daughter-in-law of Nagarjuna is one of the most respected lead actress from down south. She has acted in Malayalam, she's acted in Tamil, she acted in Telugu, and she got married to Nagarjuna's son and settled in South. And this is the first time she's making an attempt to come in a work which is did by the Bollywood types. I think the portrayal of the character what she plays in this movie is the most important connecting the dots plot. If I don't mention about her presence, a screen presence rather, and her ability to portray a toughest role is a feast for all of us to watch, because we have always seen her as the typical South Indian heroine who comes in a movie to sing few songs, do some dance numbers, do some sentiments, settle on with the hero, but we have never seen her doing such a serious portrayal of a role. Instead of getting into the content and the plot of the movie, I would like to leave the viewers with a choice of watching it at least in one go. If you guys can't watch it as a binge watch, don't even attempt to watch it, because the thriller is very naturally made. We are all used to watching Hollywood thrillers, which has got an unwanted element of heroism, where the story byline is absolutely centered around the main character. The interesting thing about the Family Man 2, you have a family story. There's almost in the verge of collapsing marriage. You can also see scenes a couple go through with a counselor. How much a counselor, or the popular word which we use is a shrink, irritates a family man, and the natural portrayal of Manoj Vajpayee walking out of a meeting with a counselor, a marriage counselor. What boredom drives a housewife to seek for a relationship outside of the wedding? How difficult it is for intelligent officer to keep the secrets from his family. In the event if a father does not pay attention to the teenage growing daughter, what could go wrong? The affectionate father, the responsible mother, the careless younger sibling, the most important element about a teenage girl who wants to oppose everything and anything which comes out of the parents' mouth. That's one side. In the other side, it's evident from the sequel that the intelligence officers in this country are really underpaid and they really don't have much money to make. That means there is nothing called a glorified badge attached to their profile. And there is one particular scene which comes in this movie where the Prime Minister of the country invites all the intelligence officers for a gathering and to treat them with an award, and she gives them a badge and tells the intelligence officer, if you need anything, do not hesitate to ask me. That's when Manoj Vajpayee asked his senior officer, sir, can I go and ask for an interest-free housing loan from her? And that's the level of humor we have inbuilt into this. But when we finish watching this movie, one cannot help but wonder, this country is saved time and again by those dedicated Faucis of this country, be it military, be it paramilitary, or be it intelligence forces. To that extent, the Indian filmmakers, those who made this sequel, need to be applauded. Alexa, continue.